Looking ahead to the trading week beginning March 11th, you want to keep an eye on Bitcoin and gold. New all-time highs and new all-time closes in both Bitcoin and gold. And we need to see if that continues because there could be a top coming up for either, but if it were to continue, it actually has knock-on effects for the rest of the economy and the rest of the markets as we look at new highs last week for the Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ, and then a 27-month high close for the Russell, although it's still 16% from its all-time highs. All of this on the backs of yields that have fallen this week. The 2-year fell 6 basis points, the 5-year 11, the 10-year fell 10, and the 30-year fell 8 basis points with the 2s, 10s inversion going in the wrong direction. So Bitcoin and gold definitely are reacting to other things, but they're also reacting to this idea that the FOMC is going to cut rates. And we saw a movement from the probability of a rate cut being pretty much equal to a higher probability in June after Jerome Powell's speeches next week. So keep an eye on Bitcoin and gold because they're going to be showing you whether the markets believe that a rate cut is coming sooner rather than later. We've also got an OPEC monthly report coming. It was a down week for crude despite OPEC extending the production cuts, and that was due to subpar economic data in terms of what happened with the crude oil price. We saw a little bit of an economic slowdown in the U.S. and some disappointing stimulus ideas coming out of China's People's National Congress. But we do have that OPEC monthly report, and it'll talk a lot more detail about what OPEC and OPEC Plus thinks about the market going forward. Now, next week in terms of earnings, they slow to a crawl as only 54 companies report with market caps of $1 billion or more. However, we do get some important ones like Oracle, Adobe, Colgate-Palmolive, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Ulta Beauty, Kohl's, Williams-Sonoma, Casey's General Store, and Lennar Corp, the home builder. In terms of data, Sunday night, Japanese GDP. Monday, Aussie business confidence and Japanese PPI. Tuesday, UK employment data, and then German and US CPI. That'll be a big deal. Wednesday, UK GDP. Thursday, US PPI and retail sales, and of course, jobless claims. And then Friday, US production and industrial production and the University of Michigan consumer sentiment data. That'll all be Friday.